everyone, welcome to today's episode of DIY. My name is Abigail.
And my name is Aadhya.
And on today's episode, we're going to be making a media safety chart.
Using the acronym SMART, S-M-A-R-T.
And the materials we're going to use are going to be?
We're going to use colored paper, a pencil of course, scissors, and paper glue. We're also going to need a big poster paper to stick all of our SMART acronyms on.
We're going to go on a short break, and when we're back, we're going to be showing you how to make the media safety chart.
The world runs on us. At Metro, we understand that life doesn't stop for anyone. That's why we provide quality fuel needed to keep your day running. With our convenient locations and reliable service, you can trust us to keep you moving. So come to Metro Filling Station and let us run your world.
Welcome back. Also on our table for materials, we have a pencil, a pair of scissors, and glue. So we're just gonna show you step-by-step instructions on how to make the media safety chart. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out our letters, which we had traced previously on the paper.
The letters are S, M, A, R, and T.
Like we had said earlier on, we're gonna cut out our letters and then we're gonna paste them on the larger sheet of paper where we're gonna add the explanations of what these acronyms SMART means. So Aadhya is gonna start pasting them onto the paper.
So I'm right now sticking the letters onto our poster paper, which is how we're going to make our big poster.
So to add color to our larger poster, we're using different colored papers for each different letter.
So we're going to be putting them vertically like so that we can have space for each different, so you can explain what each letter stands for in the SMART acronym. So far I've stuck on A, R, and T. S and M are still remaining.
So it's important to make sure that you cut them out according to its proportions so that the final poster can look nice and pleasing.
So this is what it should look like right now. You have all of your letters, S-M-A-R-T, spelling out SMART.
Yeah, the hardest letter to cut out was definitely the S, because yeah, I had to go into the most intricate places. So after that, you're gonna have to write down on your other paper, you're gonna write down your explanation. And so what you're gonna do when you write down your explanation, you're gonna stick it to the side of each acronym. Basically, so S means S means safe, and it means keep your personal information to yourself. M means meet, never meet up with other online users. A means ask, never accept unauthorized emails. R means
responsibility, check information before you believe it. And T, the last one, means tell. Always tell an adult if someone upsets you. So this is how your finished results should look like. You have all of your acronyms and what each acronym stands for. This is a online media safety chart, and it can be stuck up in your room just to remind you what rules should be followed whilst you explore your media online. These are really important acronyms for online safety, and you should definitely make one and stick it up in your room.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and this has been today's episode of DIY.